Alright guys, welcome back to 3 Styles for another video. So today is Friday, July 23rd, and today we're going to be looking at TQQQ. Now TQQQ, it's a ETF. It is it's the 3-time leverage ETF of QQQ, which is a technology based ETF. So looking at TQQQ over the year, this is over 131%, and it just keeps going and going. Of course, it takes a little dips, but it's the technology. It just keeps going and going. And believe it or not, over 5 years, it is up 1,400%. So let's look at it for today, though, and I'm gonna give you a chart analysis of it. So as you can see, it began with a small dip, and it's just been growing since. More signs of a little growth here, maybe a little down growth here. But looking as far as the candle size, you would think that it's about the top of the day, because it's the size of it seems to be a match about the biggest as it gets. Sometimes it gets to 4%, 5%. I've seen it get to 7%, but then it dies down towards the end of the day. So if you were a day trader, I would take profit around now where it is. It would be a good average. But on the month, let's look at it. If you're a swing trader, let's look at my HMA 14, this blue dotted line. Now you know if it's touching it in an upward trend, or if it's over it, the candles patterns, then I'm buying. If it's under it, I'm selling. And over here, it just recently became bought again. Also, the PSARs, the yellow dots, if they're under the candles, it's a buy. If they're over the candles, it's a sell, and it just turned back to a buy. Volumes coming back, 4 days with green positive volumes. And like I told you guys, looking at pattern candle patterns after a small downtrend or any downtrend, if you see 3 green candles growing, ascending, that's usually the end of a reversal, which it seems to have been that. On the 3 months, we're gonna look at on the 3 months, we're gonna be looking at the MACD, which is this right here. This is the histogram, and these are the signal lines. And as you can see, it's been positive, a few days negative over here. But it's been going, those negatives, the signals have been ending, and it seems to be going towards a positive volume now. Also here, the same thing, the green is about to cross over the red, which is going to be really, really good. The RSI. Now, the one thing though, it's that the RSI here is hitting overbought territory. So it might be, it's even like the highest it's ever been. So it might take a little break from that before it keeps going. Or sometimes it just ignores that and it keeps going. As you see, here went overbought and it just stayed overbought, and it kept being green days. So on the 6 months, we're going to be looking at the SMA 21, which is this white line. And it's like a mid trade signal. So if it's over, you're buying. If they're under, you're selling. Over here again, under, over here you're buying again. It tested here, but quickly went back. So that's a positive also. We're also going to look at the Bollinger Band. So if you see this blue band behind everything, now this stock is not affected by it so much, but usually if a candle goes way under the band, it will reach back the next couple of days, like here. Nothing too major here. It is towards the top of it here, but like I said, this particular ETF doesn't really react that much to the Bollinger Band. The volume, it's pretty steady for lately. It ain't what it had been at its best the part of the years, but this was negative volumes anyways. So now over to the 1 year. Now on the 1 year, I like to look at my SMA 50. So that's my purple line. And I always tell you guys, if it's a stock or an ETF in this case, it's over it, it's healthy, and when it goes under, it's unhealthy. For the most part, it's been healthy, and it's still healthy right now. We're also going to look at the SMA 21 crossing over the 50. So if it crosses under, it is negative. If it crosses back over, it's positive. Negative here, positive again, negative, and it's been straight out positive since around here. So that's what we're looking at. So that's my full chart analysis of TQQQ. Remember, it is a 3 times ETF, so you're going to want to be careful with it. But like I said, it is up over 131% for the year, over 1,500 for 5 years. So it's one to keep on your books. Because if you can see the general, what we all like to invest in, the growth things have been down lately. And where does the money go? It goes to technology stocks, and it goes to recovery stocks when they're deep in here. So it's good to verify your portfolio, guys. Well, yeah, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, maybe comments about the channel. And that's it for now. Thank you.